Today I will be showing you how to create items in QuickBill. Masters, item and item master. But before we start creating the items, we need to configure the software according to our business needs. Let us assume we have a retail shop dealing in apparels. Okay. In our case, since we deal in apparels, we might want to capture product type, whether it is a shirt, a t-shirt, jeans, trousers, etc. So product is an item attribute we need to capture. Okay. Likewise, we might want to generate our reports based on brand or color or even size. Now, while creating the items, we need to capture brand, color and size. Only then we can generate the reports based on any of these attributes we capture. So, based on the business type, we can configure QuickBill to capture information as per our requirement. QuickBill has some predefined item attributes which can be seen here: product, brand, style, shade and size. Only product and brand is enabled by default. We can enable style, shade and size by clicking on this setting option here, okay, and enabling them from here. Save. Okay, now it is enabled. The caption of item attributes, like I said earlier, can also be customized according to our business requirement. Let us say we want to change the caption product, okay, this product to category, or say we want to change shade option to color. To do that, we will go to close the screen, we will go to system caption settings, okay, and then make the changes here. Product, I will change it to category, okay, and then in the shade option I will change it to color, and then save the screen here. If you go back to the item master screen, okay, now you see category and color option here. Okay, so likewise all the rest of the other fields, like style, color, okay, all these fields also can be renamed as per our business requirement. Okay. There are a total of 5 item attributes in QuickBill by default. You can see them here. Alright, but what if we want to capture more information for our items? What if we want more fields? Let us assume we need to capture season and gender option also for our items. How do we accommodate the extra attributes here? Well, yes, we can add as many attributes as we want in QuickBill. For that, we will go to masters, lookup, and here item alias. Here we can create additional attributes. For now, let us create season. Okay, I created season. Then we will create gender. Okay, I created that, and I will save the screen. When I go back, if I go back to this screen, now you can see season option here and the gender option here. Okay, likewise, if we want to have multiple pricing for our items, right now we have cost price and retail price. Okay, let us say we want to have one more field called wholesale price, WSP, right? So for that, we will go to masters, lookup, here item price, and then add WSP here. If I go back to the item master screen, here you can see WSP. Okay, so there are multiple ways to create items in QuickBill. Okay, we will see them one by one, right? So configuration, let us assume the configuration for our system is completed. We will start creating the items now. Okay, I'll show you the first method. Okay, the first method will be in this screen itself. We will start creating the items. I'll write here shirts, long sleeves. Okay, I'm creating a shirt. Here you can see stock number. Okay, this stock number is the barcode number. We can customize the way barcode number is generated by clicking on this settings option and going to stock number generation methodology here. Okay, we can define our own formula in this screen. If we don't define any methodology, system will automatically assign the barcode number starting from 000001. Okay, for now let us allow the system to auto generate the number for us. Okay, let's fill in the rest of the details. Okay, UOM is numbers. Here I fill in the cost price 750, retail price, wholesale price 750. Here short name, if I want to give any short name to the item, okay, I can give here. Here season, SA autumn winter 19, gender man. Okay, then here if you want to select an image, okay, if you have an image for the item, you can also select the image from here. Okay, right now we do not have any image, so we'll leave it blank. We will not click on that option. Here in item classifications, okay, by default these 5 item classifications: category, brand, style, color and size. Okay, these 5 classifications can be created by pressing this insert button on your keyboard. Okay, in this way typing errors can be avoided by selecting the previously created data. If you want to type in the details directly without pressing insert button, you can do so by going to this setting option and then enabling the option here, create item class on the fly. You can enable them, save it. Okay, now you can type here the item details without having to press insert button. Okay, so since we click on that settings, few information got erased. We will fill them again. 750, 1500 is our MRP, 750 is our wholesale price. Okay, season and gender is there. Here in category, we'll say I will categorize this item to shirts, right? Brand, I write here Peter England. In short, style ST00001. Color black. Okay. Size 28. Tab. Okay. Here GST group. If we don't select this GST group, remember GST will not get calculated later during your transaction. So you'll have to select this GST group accordingly. Here we have a predefined GST group for apparels. Okay, so we will select this. If we put the item under this group, what the system will do is QuickBill will automatically calculate the GST percentage according to the sale value of the product. If the sale value is lesser than 1000, it will calculate 5% GST. If it is more than 1000, then it will calculate 12%. So I'll select this. Okay, and then here I can key in the HSM code. Okay, if I know I can key in here directly, if I want to search, I can press insert button here and then search from here also. Okay, so I enter this 6205. Here opening balance quantity, if we have any opening balance with us, we can enter the opening balance quantity here, and then we can save the screen. Okay, if we save the screen, automatically if we press on this save button, automatically the item gets created and then the screen will be refreshed. Okay, it will become blank again. But there is one more option, save and clone here. Okay, if we click on this option, okay, for example, we're creating size 28 now, right? We want to create 20, 30 also, 32, 34, 36, 38, right? All the rest of the informations are same. Okay, in that case we will click on save and clone so that we will not have to enter the rest of the item details again and again. So let us say I'll click on save and clone here. Okay, so it says item master created. Now 28 is created. I'll create 30 here. Then I'll click on save and clone. I'll say 32, save and clone, 34, save and clone, 36. Okay, save and clone. So I can create the items like this. Okay, so this is the first option. This is the first method to create your items. Okay, let us see the next option. Okay, I'll close this. 5-6 items got created. We will go and create more items using the second option. Okay, for that we have to go to masters, item, and here we have item master multiple. Okay, we can open up the screen and then you can start typing the item details here. Say shirts, long sleeves. Okay, here if you have any short name, season here, gender. Okay, here the cost price 750, retail price 1500, whether the retail price is tax inclusive. Okay, normally it is always yes. Wholesale price 750. Okay, whether wholesale price is tax inclusive, no. Category I can select from here, or I can also press insert to create a new record. Here style I have it here, color here, size I have 36. Let us till 36. Let us say I want to create 38, so I'll press insert button here and say 38, save. Okay, like this. GST group, GST for apparel, HSL code I can select from here. Okay, image if I have. Okay, so I have entered the complete details. If I say save, the item got created. So this is the second method of creating your items. Okay, so option number 3, masters, item master import. This is the most commonly used method to create the items. Item details can be imported directly from Excel file. This option is useful when you receive soft copy of invoice from supplier in Excel format. We can import that Excel data in QuickBill in a single click. But when we want to import any data in any software, we need to first know the format of the file. Okay. In QuickBill, you can export the format by clicking on this option here, sample format. Okay, and then you can select the options. For example, here I want to fill in the season, gender also, size group, whether I want. Okay, WSP I want, let us say. Okay, so I can select all the options like this, whatever options I want to capture in the Excel file, and then click on create option here. So I will save this format on the desktop. Okay, the name of the file is item master. Okay, we will go back to the desktop here. Item master, where is that file? Item master. Okay, so this is the file. We will open this up, and then here we can see the file format. If we have any PT file, okay, if we receive the PT file, the Excel data soft copy of invoice in Excel from our supplier, we can just go and open that and then fill the details in this screen by copying the information from that file, right? So I will just open up one more file here. Okay, let us say this is the let us assume this is the file sent by the supplier, right? So the informations can be copied like this. Okay, I go to stock, I copy stock number, item description, category, item description, category. I'll go to copy. I copy this item description, so I can copy the information one by one like this. This is the category. I will go to this, paste this, brand style color size. I will go to this, brand style color size. Okay, GST group also I'll copy. Okay, GST Control V, GST group and say, paste it here. Unit of measure, I can type here numbers or pieces or liters, kilos, right? HSM code I will go and copy from here. V, cost price, retail price, season cost price and retail price. Season, gender. I have the season here, gender here. Control C. Then paste it in the column here. Wholesale price. Let us assume it is the same as the cost price. Okay, we can. I will just capitalize it. Okay, so now the sheet is ready. Okay, so this file I will go and save this, close this, close this. Okay, this file can be imported directly in this option, item master import. I will go to import, I will select that file and click open. So all the item details in the Excel file got imported here. Okay, but we have imported it without any quantity. In case you have opening balance, okay, in case you got your Excel sheet ready along with the opening balance, okay, then you can also add another column in that Excel file. Okay, I'll show you that. In the same file you can create one more column, opening balance quantity, right? And then you can specify your opening balance here. Okay, so automatically the file will be imported along with the opening balance. If you want to import this PT file directly in transactions, right, you can also do that. Okay, so that I will show you later. For now I will save this. We will go and what we will do is we will load with the opening balance. Okay, opening balance quantity. Okay, so I will save this file and then import that file along with the opening balance. Okay, here the items got imported. I'll click on save. Details imported. Okay, here exit. Okay, so that is how we create the items using Excel file. Okay, like I said, there are more options, like option number 4. Okay, in during transactions itself, if I go to transaction and purchase, okay, during transaction itself I can create the items by pressing insert button here. Okay, so during transactions itself you can create the items then and there in the transactions. That is the 4th way of creating the items. And then the 5th option, okay, we can also import that same file, okay, this same file in transactions. Now to do that we will have to just add 2 more columns. Okay, opening balance will not be there. Okay, it should be trans QTY and trans rate. Okay, so if we have you will mention the quantity here and then the rate of purchase in this trans rate option. I save this. If you go to purchase, import and select that file, automatically the items can be created here in the transactions, in purchase transaction itself. Okay, so you do not need to first create the items then come and make a purchase entry. Okay. If you import it in purchase, okay, automatically the item gets created. Okay, so that is the fifth option of creating the items. Okay, we have now learned how to configure item attributes and create the item details in QuickBill, right? In the next video we will start learning how to pass transactions. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel to watch similar videos in the future. Thank you.